Are you ready to make the perfect roast turkey? One that's juicy, tender, and full of flavor? Stick around, we've got you covered. Hey there, welcome back to Info Dinner. Today, we're talking about one of the best holiday dishes, roast turkey. You know, the kind that makes everyone gather around the table. But don't worry, we'll make it easy. So grab your apron and let's get roasting. We all know turkey can be tricky. It can turn dry, bland, or just not right. But with the right steps, your turkey can be amazing. Let's fix that today. We'll show you the secrets to a turkey that will wow your family and friends. First, start with the turkey. Fresh is great, but frozen works too. Just make sure it's thawed completely before cooking. A good size is around 12 to 14 pounds. Too small and it'll cook too quickly. Too big and it might dry out. Choose a turkey that fits your oven and your guest list. All right, let's prep. Start by removing the giblets and neck from inside the turkey. Rinse it under cold water, then pat it dry with paper towels. This is key to getting that crispy skin. Now let's season. Seasoning is the secret to flavor. Start with salt and pepper. Don't be shy. Rub it all over the turkey, inside and out. Then stuff the inside with aromatics like onions, garlic, and herbs. Rosemary, thyme, and sage work wonders here. For extra flavor, rub some butter under the skin. This keeps the meat juicy and adds flavor. Next, trussing the turkey. This means tying up the legs and wings. It helps the turkey cook evenly. Use kitchen twine and tie the legs together. Tuck the wings under the bird. Now it's ready for the oven. Now let's get to roasting. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Place the turkey on a rack in a roasting pan. Put it in the oven and don't open the door too often. It's tempting to peek, but let it cook without distractions. Cooking time depends on the turkey's size. For a 12-pound bird, you'll need about 3 hours. For a larger turkey, plan for up to 4 hours. Use a meat thermometer to check the temperature. It should reach 165 degrees in the thickest part of the thigh. When it's done, let it rest for 20-30 minutes before carving. This lets the juices settle, making the turkey more tender. Some people like to baste their turkey every 30 minutes. But here's a tip. Basting too often can actually dry out your turkey. Instead, cover the turkey loosely with foil for the first 2 hours. Then, uncover it to let the skin crisp up for the last hour. The result? A perfectly golden and crispy turkey. While the turkey rests, let's make some gravy. You can use the drippings from the pan. Heat the drippings over medium heat and add some flour to thicken it. Whisk it up, and if you need, add some broth to get the right texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour it over your sliced turkey and enjoy. Now it's time to carve. Start by removing the legs and thighs. Use a sharp knife to slice through the meat. Then move to the breast, slicing against the grain. Take your time, no rush. Beautiful slices of turkey make the meal feel even more special. Serve your turkey with all the sides. Mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, yum. Don't forget the gravy on top. You can even make a turkey sandwich the next day. Leftover turkey is the best part. And there you have it, your perfect roast turkey. Juicy, flavorful, and golden brown. It's really not that hard when you know the right steps. And trust me, your family will love it. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Info Dinner for more tips. Have a favorite turkey tip? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time with more tasty recipes. Happy roasting!